In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB commerce problem under business environment and social responsibility. So we're going to focus the subtopic pollution in business environment and social responsibility. So let's get started. The first question I have here says we're going to practice with 12 repeated questions. The first one says a responsibility to control environmental pollution is the responsibility of the employee, the consumer, the government, the business. The right answer is option D, the business. Next question, this one, it says the environmental hazard that is most difficult to control is air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, sound pollution. The right answer is option A, air pollution. Okay, next question, this one, it says the main source of pollution in Nigeria is, so we have organic waste, gas flaring, industrial waste, domestic waste is option C, the industrial waste. Very, very important, guys. Next question, this one says the most dangerous type of pollution is water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, land pollution is air pollution, guys. Okay, option C. Next question, this one, it says the environmental hazard that is most difficult to control is air pollution, option B. Okay, repeat question. Next one is this one, it says proper disposal of waste by business firms is one way of discharging their responsibility to customer, community responsibility to government, environmental responsibility. The right answer is option D, environmental responsibility. Next question is one, it says in Nigeria the main source of pollution is industrial waste, option C. Next question is one, it says a firm that disposes its waste properly is discharging its environmental responsibility, option A. That's the right one. Next question is one, it says poor sewage disposal, oil spill and indiscriminate refuse dumping all lead to land and water pollution, option A. That's the right one. Okay, the next question, this one, it says the responsibility to control environmental pollution is the responsibility of the business. A repeated question. Next one is this one, it says the environmental hazard most difficult to control is air pollution. Last question for in this video, this one, it says the most dangerous pollution is air pollution, option B, option A. So guys, this basically can do problem involving pollution under business environment and social responsibility. We practice with 12 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. Be sure to give your response, so you share the parts of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You get input information I help you to sell your SNE exams, like your JAMB and other SNE exams should be writing. Otherwise, I will know this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.